Hey guys, if you mine the H1, which is the Haven1 token on the Satoshi mining app, you have until October 21st, 2024 to submit your wallet address for the H1 airdrop. And in this video, I will be showing you how to submit your wallet. To qualify for the H1 airdrop, the wallet you submit on the Satoshi mining app must be registered in the Haven1 Testnet. This means participation in the Haven1 Testnet is the criteria for claiming your H1 airdrop from the Satoshi mining app. If you've already submitted your wallet address on the Satoshi mining app for the H1 airdrop, ensure that wallet address is registered in the Haven1 Testnet. If you haven't submitted your wallet address, make sure the wallet address you're submitting on the Satoshi mining app is the same wallet address you registered with on the Haven1 Testnet. If you haven't joined the Haven1 Testnet, check out this video at the top of your screen to help you get started. So to submit your wallet address on the Satoshi mining app for the Haven1 airdrop, ensure your app is up to date. If it's not looking like this, update it via your Play Store. On your Satoshi mining app, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right of your screen and tap My Wallet. Scroll till you find H1. Tap this area, tap link withdrawal address. You will be required to provide your EVM wallet address and your asset password. Remember, this address should be the address that is registered in the Haven1 Testnet. If you don't know how to get your EVM wallet address, check out the link in the description for the guide. If you haven't set up your asset password, go back, switch to the Me tab by tapping Me at the bottom right of your screen and scroll till you find asset password. So here you'll be able to set your asset password, change it or recover it if you've forgotten it. If you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Asset Password and follow the prompts to reset your password. So paste your EVM wallet address that is registered on the Haven1 Testnet here, paste your asset password here and tap this button. Double check to ensure that this address is the correct address. Once you're happy, tap Confirm. And now a verification code will be sent to the email address linked to your Satoshi mining app. So check your inbox for the code, paste it here and tap Confirm. My withdrawal address has been linked successfully. So I can close this. So that's how to submit your wallet address for the H1 withdrawal on the Satoshi mining app. The wallet address you submit here must be your Haven1 Testnet address. So if you haven't started the Haven1 Testnet, sign up right now using the link in the description. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Haven1 updates, crypto airdrops, tips and tutorials. If you haven't joined the XENEA Testnet, check out this video at the top of your screen to get started. XENEA just launched their airdrop campaign, so if you haven't joined, check out the link in the description. Sign up and start claiming your gems every day. And don't forget, we are still in the season of Telegram airdrops, so check out the bonus section of this video description and sign up on some of the hottest Telegram airdrops today. So sign up on the Haven1 Testnet if you're yet to join. Submit your Haven1 Testnet address on the Satoshi app for your H1 airdrop. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.